Hey everyone, Anil here and welcome back to another video of Power Apps. So today's show we are going to discuss search function in Power Apps. So this is my blog where you can find out all the text about the search function. So these functions enable you to search for record in a table where a specific string appears in a text column. The most commonly used function is search, source and search string and then column name. So this is the reference. Using this reference, let's move on make.powerapps.com, and here is the blank screen. In this blank screen, I will add a gallery control. So this is my vertical gallery. This vertical gallery, I will go and bind with leave assignment. Leave assignment, the table, I created a SharePoint list over here. Let me maximize it. Okay. Now I will bind this item dot requested by dot picture. This I can bind with a leave title, and this will be leave type. So two columns I'm going to bind over here. See here. Now I will try to search this leave type. How we can do that? So I will add a input, text input. This is my text input. This text input we can make it like a search. If you will see, this is look like a search box. Now what I will do here, I will apply the search. So search, and this is my data source, and here you can see this is the text and this is the column. So in a text, this is my text canvas 5 dot value comma, here you can see the column. So if we will go for leave type for now. Okay, so this is my leave type, and see here we having two columns. The first is leave type. All right, so if I will search for now, I will search casual. I will go and I will type casual. Okay, so you can see all the casual leave you can see over here. Now this is going to be started from start. Okay, if I want to search any text from the middle, from the beginning, if I want to search this guy, see here we are getting the text from the middle as well, right? If I want to search only the leave, I will get all the data because leave is found everywhere, right? Similarly, if you want, because this this is non-delegable function, the search is non-delegable function, and that's the reason we used to avoid the search in this way, but we can use the search in another way. Okay, so I will just copy it and let me paste it over here. So this is text input 5 and this is text input 5 underscore 1. For now I will just comment it. Type here filter, then here the data source, leave assignment, comma, start with, then here you can see text and then start. So here I will provide the text, so that will be leave type, and then here will be my text input control, text input 5 underscore 1 dot value. Great. Now if we will see here, this is the paternity leave. So if I will type here, not here, PA, only whenever I will type PA, it will give me the paternity leave result. Okay, I will cancel it. If I'll type MA, see M and A, if I click on search, it will give me all the result from MA. But if I want to try to type LE, it will not give me the result, this result, because it will only start with whatever text will start with, only that we can search, right? If I want to search from the middle, it will not able to search. See here, it will not able to search. The text will start from the beginning, it will start. See here, if I'll type this, it will give me the result, right? Examination leave. So what is the difference between filter search, start with search, and basic search? The search can give you all the result, okay, all the result, whether you are typing from the beginning, you are typing from the end, you are typing from the start. If you're typing from the middle, everything the search will give you the result. But start with function will give you the result from the beginning only. If suppose I'm going to type EXA, this will give you the result. But if I'll type LEAVE, leave, it will not give you the result. But this is purely delegable function and this is non-delegable function. I told you in my last video, was it delegable and non-delegable? In a short, I'm telling you the delegable functions you can search or filter. You can filter the record beyond 2000 or beyond 5000 record. But search will not work if the record is more than 2000. It will not show you the record. The record is sitting are on index 2001 or 2003, and that's the difference. Now we will go with the two column. Okay, so for a search I will go for two column. So here one is leap type and then second is leap title. So now there are two column. Okay, the first column is leap type and this is leap title. So if I want to search MAR only, okay, so this is my search box. You can see we are getting the result. Okay, now if I want to search, so this is search and this is filter. So let me clear it out. This is search and this is filter. Okay, so this is filter and this is search. It should give you, why it is not giving you the placeholder? This is search. Great. Now if you want to search, this leave, okay, it will give you all the result. Okay, leave. If you want to type this approval, it will give you the result approval. Okay, if you want search from this examination, it will give you this result also, examination. If you want to type test 1, it will give you the result for test 1 also. So it is going to be searched with two column. You can search with more than one column, two column or three column, whatever you want. Similarly, if you want with filter 1 with two columns, how you will do that? So see here, this is non-delegable. Delegation warning, we search part of this formula might not work correctly on large data set. Okay, now I will comment the search. I will go for filter. So in a filter, we have to just copy it and create a OR function or operator and then type here another column, leap title. Now you can start with filtering with two column. Casual, you will get the casual. Now I want to search for this test, you will get this result. So it is clearly mentioned that you can go for more than one column, two column in a start with filter or search, but the difference between start with and the search is only the delegation. We will create a very huge and deep video about the delegation, and in that we will let you know what is the delegation. I'll show you the data, how why this data is not going to be searched, why the data is not going to be searched if the data is having more than 2000 record or 5000 record. Then I will overcome with the situation also, how you can use the search, how you can use the filter. All right, so I hope you love this video. If you love this video, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you and bye bye.